Hey there, camper. Welcome to our camp. Do you know what this is? This is a paper airplane, and all you need to make one is a sheet of paper. Would you like to try? Let's try it out. Alright, the first thing we want to do is lay a piece of paper down on a flat surface. Before we start, it's important to be patient and careful while folding. If you fold too quickly, our paper airplane might not fly that far. Alright, let's fold the paper in half, and make sure we align these corners as close as we can. Then let's make a crease down the middle. Let's unfold, and now we want to focus on these two corners. Let's grab this corner and fold it into the middle. Now let's grab this corner and fold into the middle as well. And then crease. Now we want to repeat this process just with these two corners. Let's grab this corner, fold into the center, and crease. Then let's grab this corner and fold it into the center as well. And crease. Now let's fold this in half, crease again. Now it's time to make the wings. Let's grab the top up here and fold it towards the bottom of the paper airplane. Make a crease. Then let's flip over, grab the top of this wing and align it with the wing we already folded. Then crease. Now we have ourselves a paper airplane. I know this might have been hard, or I might have folded too fast, so feel free to rewind if you need more time. Before I started folding, I said that it is important to be patient and careful while folding. Let me show you what happens when we fold too quickly. Now we have our second airplane. Can you tell the difference between these two? The one I made patiently and the one I made impatiently? Let's go fly them. Hey y'all, we're outside right now. Let's try to fly these things. Let's start with the one I made impatiently. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Now let's try the one I made patiently. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that one went a lot farther. You can see the one I made patiently flew way farther. Let's go talk about it. Hey, welcome back. I think it's interesting that the paper airplane I made patiently flew further than the one I made impatiently. Do you know why that might be? Well, the paper airplane I made patiently flew further because I took the time to crease the edges and fold it correctly. On the paper airplane I made impatiently, I didn't crease the paper and I didn't align the edges, which caused it to crash a lot earlier than it needed to. I think that whether you're working on a craft in school or even coloring in between the lines, a little bit of patience can help a lot. Even if your paper airplane didn't fly that far, you never know what might happen if you take your time and try again. Thank you for coming to our camp, and please hurry back. I'll see you next time.